are out, honey. The road trip is on and popping this morning, honey. We are pulling out and we are on our way down south. So here we go. Pulling out, on the move. Yes. Boom. And it is shortly after.
It's 9 o'clock.
It is 9 o'clock. My wife says it's 9 o'clock. Yay! We're on our way. Wife still getting down, baby. She ain't gave it up yet, honey. Beep, beep. In the building. Yo. Beep, beep. Welcome to North Carolina. Hey! Morning, South Carolina. We are here in Timminsville, South Carolina, at this beautiful winery. Video is not sponsored, but we are part of Harvest Host, a wonderful organization where you pay an annual fee and you can stay at unlimited vineyards, wineries, distilleries, planetariums, all type of organizations, and you get to park out there and camp for free for one annual fee. Honey, we paid $60. We paid $60 for an annual membership, and we've stayed 6 times at Harvest Host. And let me tell you, it has more than paid for itself. We are loving it, and we're loving the wineries. Now today, they have a wine tasting at 5 p.m. All the wine you can drink, honey. You know your girl likes to ball out on a budget. So this is what it is. Check out this beautiful winery. 20 miles of beautiful, beautiful grapevines. Nothing but gorgeous grapevines here. And I'm going to step in between the vines and just show you. They said these are muscatel or muscovite wines, all sweet. Some of them I like, some of them I didn't like so much. But you know, it's nice to just try different things and enjoy different things. I mean, hell, that's what life is all about. You knowing how to ball out and doing it on a budget. So this road trip, I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm kind of letting you come along with me to see what we're doing and what we're enjoying. We are driving all the way to the tip of Florida, to the Keys. And a lady was telling us last night we had to go to Key Largo and try the Rum Runners. So you know your girl is here for that. But I just wanted to show you this beautiful winery before we pull out this morning and show you where we're staying. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, next stop, Florida.
Morta. Hello, Morta. Hi. How are you?
Just give me a crackers. I'll take cheese too.
And y'all are welcome to whatever.
I have a Pyrenees love. she's a lab.
90 pounds, 90 pounds, big girl.
Like to shake hands with
Yellow lab mix.
with a blonde,
Yeah.
blonde, a blonde with a white scarf.
Oh yeah, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. And the Swedish disposition.
She lets the mailman in. She
I know.
lets the UPS guy in.
She had the burglars.
Yeah, she tells the thieves, come on, here they are. Here's the
Yeah,
good
Amazon.
stuff. That's where mommy keeps it.
That's
You
her
know,
favorite
it's just
guy,
like,
the
really?
Amazon guy. Mr. Pride comes to visit her every day. And Lily's like, come on, come on.
A lot of us are getting like that, you know. The driveway, you go, Mr. Prime is here.
Let me tell you something. I was never an internet shopper until the pandemic hit. I don't know what I did before Amazon.
In the middle of the night,
What did we
when
do?
I'm laying there awake and I can't go to sleep.
Amazon,
Oh, yeah.
you're
See
putting
their
things
stock
in your
was?
cart. And the next day you get up and it was like, what the hell was I thinking? Why did I even put that in my cart? You know, it's just like,
Did
you order something? But let me tell you. Okay, this is the moonlight.
Moonlight, Imagination. And it was, like I said, the first one we started with. And we use a lot of its space in most of ours.
This is a sweet muscadine.
Yes, ma'am. Every one. Here's a dry. It's called a very dry.
Yeah.
This, no, it tastes like, it reminds me of when I was growing up. There's a fruit that I used to eat when I was growing up.
Sparkleberries. It's all sparkleberry.
Don't sip it.
Oh, go for it. Take it to the head.
Yeah.
This one would be good with the meal. That influence.
Yeah.
The other one would be good
Yes,
for a
ma'am.
cocktail. This one like with your meal.
Vinegar. Good.
That's why I like it so much.
Yeah? Did you get that or no? That's just me. A little vinegary. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. I would say salad dressing. Do a very nice marinade or a salad dressing with that.
Now, our fruit wines, taste the fruit. And
Yeah, I think
this
that's
is
one
just
for me.
peachy. And smell it because you will smell
the
the
peach.
notes. Yeah.
Here's the to-go order, and we're done. Okay, y'all. Quick pause for the cause. Amethyst, her oil was a little bit dark, and you know this is a long road trip. So we are gonna go ahead and get the oil change here in South Carolina before we keep on moving to Florida. And this very nice young man here, Brandon. Yes, hey Brandon, how you doing, boo? Is it Brandon? Yes. This nice young man, he's gonna help us out with getting that oil change and getting us back on the road. So that's what's up. Moving on. Pushing it through Georgia, baby. Here we go. Welcome, Center in Georgia.